stronger, just like that. It cannot compromise is the aesthetics and we have to add with the cervical area, which is the edge position, trying to make the aesthetics. Good news is we made these long span pancakes. Made the 7-star cases coming up. Alright, so we made the edge to edge, which is the doctor's approval for edge bite. Okay? And then another issue is the too long span or panis in order to contact the occlusion. So we made the Titan 7-star. So here is my key. So follow the exactly wax try setup or PMMA. So we're going to make the edge to edge size. Unfortunately, this case is the same thing. We have to add with the tissue area to make the better emergency profile and contouring. Implant side is sticking out, make thin as possible, and that makes good alignment here. The other one is I want to put is a thicker in between the tooth, is make higher, they get more strength. Okay, this is what look like this 4 implant with a long span bridge. So we made this Titan 7-star, that's why We have to add a little bit more the facial contour, but we can make this beautiful cases coming up with this is unbelievable cases. It's long span, the panic, this is very thin. There's another long span panic, and also it's make the really thin 7-star cases. Just accomplish that one. Especially lower teeth is a big restoration, and then we protect it from the wax drying. Then we made beautiful restorations. This bridge is why is more stronger, just like that. This cannot compromise is the aesthetics and detail anatomy. It's like chrome cover. After that, so we make this thin layer micro zirconia. That's why we finish up. Okay, so we protect fully the incisor. This is another is color testing, which is not good compared to Shimano. Okay, so we have a lot of tests inside. Sometimes it's not working well. Alright, so it's different opacity. So we fabricated this. Same thing. Beautiful design from tissue. So we just cement it. Okay. Now it's coming up. Final one. This is the bite. We're trying to make the etched edge, especially because the pronunciations. Okay, so after took it out, the implants full mouth. So here is our deadline occlusion contact, such as this trying. So after we communicate with the doctors that we are really concerned about the posterior teeth, the long span, panic, we're going to breaking. If I make the zirconia, it doesn't matter, zirconia, mono, doesn't matter, it's make thick, which is nobody wants that. So we recommend this Titan 7-star case. Then we extended it here to protect it all the way down there. So then we can fabricate it the 6 top of that. The other side too. The other side as well. So we're going to cement soon. Okay, so exactly what we designed previously. The wax setup and edge to edge is class 2. We made it intentionally. Let's bring in all the facial. We finished the final Titan 7-star cases. And not only this, we extended the panic, the thin. Everything looks so good. Alright, so now send it to Florida.